Here we go with the third out of 4 videos about the all-new dual camera lineup by eufy Security. We already covered the tiny but powerful indoor camera S350, and in the last video we tested the solar-powered solo cam S340. You can find the video right here, by the way. And now let's ramp it up a notch and let's check out the big brother, the Floodlight Cam E340. And as well as the other 2 dual camera systems, it offers the same game-changing zoom capabilities, excellent night modes, all the state-of-the-art AI features, and also a versatile dome that can rotate a true 360 degrees, and it also tilts. So let's get right to it. Got the new drip from eufy Security, the Floodlight Cam S340. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you, and now let's check it out. So here we have the box all wrapped up, so let's get rid of that. Wrap is gone, just like that. So here we have the front, here we have the side, here we have the back with all the specs and features. And then this side, let's remove this cover, and on the top we have the brand logo right here, and also safety precautions. And now let's open it up. So nicely organized as always. Let's take out this divider, and here we have it. So we have the accessories right there and the main unit right there, and that's it. So let's get straight to it. So here we have all the accessories, and on the back we can see the contents in here. So we already know, but let's of course check it out nevertheless. So we have the sticker right there. Then we have the installation hook, really helpful to have, especially when you're doing it alone. Then we also have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable in white, of course, all the screws and dowels for the wall mounting installation, and of course the paperwork. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's it. Super detailed manual. Love to see that. So here we have it. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So here we go. First of all, let's remove this film. Here is also the warning, but I will of course remove it for this demo so that we can take a look at it. But yeah, be advised, these lights are very, very bright and you should not look into them, especially from a close distance. And another film, and I think that's it. So we have the base on the back. Just like that. Okay, nice. Nice adjustability of the floodlights. That's a full 180 degrees right there. Nice. Speaker in the middle, gigantic sensor, so these are probably very precise. And also the dual cameras are fairly large. They will deliver proper images, I'm sure about that. A large aperture, so can't wait to test the night modes. And here we also have the SD card and the sync button in here, and also the USB-C port. And also once again you can just pull it down, just like that, and it is of course connected, and right here is where we connect to the wire. Very nice. So let's take a close look. So we have the base right here, and the base plate already has the cutouts, and you can see them from the other side. So all these cutouts, they are actually pre-cut. You can just poke them through. Then we have the 3 wires connected already. We just need to screw in the hot ones so that we can power it up. And with this screw it is connected to the main body. And in here we also have specs and features, IP65, water and dust protected of course, temperature range, good stuff. It's very easy to mount, it's a quick release, but we of course can't pull it down without disconnecting the wires. Then we have the 2 floodlights right here. These are the same. I'm pretty sure that these are the same panels as for the triple floodlight camera as well. So they are very bright and huge panels right there, powerful. Then on the front we can see the swivel arms up and down, and also all the way in the front and all the way to the side. Great adjustability. We have the eufy Security branding, the speaker, nice sensors, and same story on the other side. super bright panel. We of course also have the top, and on here, as you can see, we have a thread for mounting different things to it. Very handy to have. Then here we have rubber inserts for protecting the screws underneath. Very nice build quality. So once again, brief look right here, and this is also a cool design choice. This is purely for the looks and I really like it. This insert right here with these tiny cutouts. And when it gets to the camera module, we can go from here to all the way down there, almost 90 degrees. And we can go from all the way here, so basically looking straight to the wall, to all the way on the other side. On this side it's pointing in this angle, and on the other side it's pointing straight to the wall. Once again, the dual camera right here with the telephoto lens and the regular camera, both of them, especially this one, has a really large lens, so I'm sure that we will get spectacular night vision from it. This is matte black and this top cover is glossy, looking really nice. And once more, underneath this rubber seal that will ensure the water and dust proofing, we have the card. You won't get a card by default, just so you know. And again, the sync button right there. So far, so good. Let's close it up. And you don't need to open it up if you just want to press the sync button, because it says it right here, sync, just press in here. Nice. Not bad, right? So let's check out the app and then of course test it. So here we go, let's hook it up to the power, and we can see the LED status light, the status ring doing its thing. Calibrating run. Oh, it's fast, nice. So let's open up the app. In this right here, that's the solo cam. I won't remove it this time, let's just add another device, and it's of course a floodlight camera, and it's this one E340. Let's add it to my home, and the QR code is back here. So this warning, and it's already powered up. The light is solid blue.
Press the button on top until you hear a beep.
This button right here, the sync button. That was the beep. Let's go. It's flashing blue. Okay, perfect. Now let's connect to Wi-Fi. And just because we can...
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait.
5G network. Let's go.
Setup was successful.
All right, not too bad. Let's hit next, and we have the backyard, I guess. That's fine. Let's press this one, and we got through with the auto formatting of the card. Let's hit next, next. Once again, calibrating. So we have the left and the right trigger, and we can also move it up and down, and it's pretty fast, as you can see. That is so dope. But we will of course set the presets after the installation, and the most crucial thing is to update the firmware. Always update the firmware. Right now I've already been spotted, but let's wait for that to finish. So there we go. So now we have the solo cam and the floodlight camera, and right here, triple dots, we can activate the light with this shortcut. We can set the snooze mode if we want privacy for a certain duration of time, and we can also access the settings. But let's access the camera right now. Just click on it. 3K Ultra. Yes. And the preset button, and also that. Got it. So let's mute the sound so that we won't get a feedback loop. So we have the dual mode, and we can also set the streaming quality. It's currently set on auto. We can also press this to enter the full screen mode, but since my phone can't handle that, my screen recorder, let's just go back, and it currently is of course spotting me. So right here we can start to take a video straight to the phone. We have the sound button. We can also speak to it when we press and hold. But again, this will create a feedback loop from this distance. Sound check. Sound check. So the speaker is sounding fine. We have the pan and tilt. Let's find my face. Just like that. And as you can see, thanks to the dual camera, we have the full field of view and also extreme details in the center. Let's turn on the light just for fun. Let's turn it off again. Screenshot, night vision, AI tracking, and around look and playback. And here we can find the timeline. And now let's go through all the settings, at least through the important ones. So we have edge connection with the base station if we have one. Super powerful for facial recognition and all of that good stuff. We have the light settings from ambient light all the way to motion activated light, and we can also set it manually. And let's go for full brightness right there. Nice. And that stuff is bright. Then we of course have all the motion detection settings right there. We can set the sensitivity, also AI tracking, and we can also pick pets, for example, as the detection type. This is in development as of now. Then we can specify the detection range, and we also have the pan and tilt settings. We can even go faster. Oh, that is really fast. Wow. Maybe let's hit this one. Here we can also calibrate it, and then we, of course, that's important, we have the recording quality. All right, that's already the best setting. That's great. We have continuous recording. We can go for a 24/7 recording. We can flip the image. That's all fine. Audio settings, that's also fine. And just like that, we covered all the most important settings. And now let's install it and then get to an actual test. As you can see, I installed a junction box. It is just screwed to the wood wall, and then with just 2 screws, the back plate of the camera to this box, or you could also just directly screw it onto the wall. Just 2 screws, that's enough, and then you can just slide it on, just like that. Slides in place, perfect. I was able to do this by myself without the hook even. It's that easy, and the cable goes through here and then all the way over there. And by the way, this cable was not included in the box. I made this myself, long ladder, but as I said, it was no issue whatsoever. Installing it was super easy. As you can see, I'm already done with the install. Wall mounting, it was super easy, 2 screws, it's done. But goes without saying that this is just a temporary setup. Here we also have the solo cam, and this connection right there would need better waterproofing, but for this test should be good enough. So let's open up the app, and here we have it. Let's click on it. Let's access the camera, and as you can see, we have the live feed. So first of all, let's of course set the preset positions. Okay, another calibration run. All right. So for the default view, I want this right here to be my default view. Let's mark it as the default. And the second one, let's pick the gate view right there. All right. And the third one, let's pick the backyard. And just for fun, as always, all the way back here, triple zoom. Oh, it's looking so nice. Perfect. We have the pool. Very well. And now just to test, we have default view. Oh, it's so fast. We have the gate. We have the backyard. And we also have the pool right here. So let's record a video in 3K quality, of course, dual view, so let's do it. And now check out the image quality of the triple zoom. You can see all these small details. You can't see them in the normal view, but thanks to the dual camera, it's all there. When you're in the dual view, it will actually record the dual view in the video as well. And check out the quality once again, it's amazing. So another thing that I want to test would be the AI tracking, of course. So I think it got me. Yes, of course. And now check this out. I'm still recording the video, and now check out how fast it is. Nice. And I can go all the way out through the gate. So hiding, and I'm back. And there we go again. So fast, it's crazy. And look at that, I'm all the way at the pool. In the upper view, you can't recognize my face, no details, but in the lower view, all the details, it's so nice. AI tracking works like a charm. All right, so all that's left would be the night vision demo, so I will see you in a bit. So we are back. Oh, and there we go. We are back. As you can see, it is the middle of the night. It's a bit windy. I hope that's fine. But as you can see, we have the motion activated lights going, and it is plenty bright. As you can see, it is lighting up the whole driveway all the way back to the pool. Wow, what a night. But as you can see, the cameras are not affected whatsoever, but I keep on getting stuff thrown into my eyes. So let's access the camera, and there we go. As you can see, I have put the lights to the side, so it will light up both sides of the driveway. They are maxed out, by the way, and the quality looks amazing. Check out this quality. That is something else. Let's also activate the AI tracking. Perfect. Goes without saying that the first test is the color night mode with the light assistance, and the quality, especially when I stand still, looks amazing. So nice. The street is plenty bright as well, and once again it will pick up all the details without any issues. So we have a great color night mode. And now let's enter the settings and let's disable the floodlights completely. Turns off right off the bat. And let's see, let's go back to the camera. We have the night vision settings right here. Oh my goodness. As you can see, the color night vision is grayed out. We can, although, turn it off. And this way we can force a colored night vision. But as you can see, it is really, really dark. So let's of course turn it on again. And just like that, we are back in the business. And right now you can see for both cameras, we have the IR LEDs going. And this way we will also get, can you see the dust? It is crazy. My eyes are getting attacked brutally, but look at this quality. Let's record a video. Oh my goodness, even my mouth. It's looking great. And the AI tracking also works like a charm. Let's see how far it can go. And oh, it is pitch black right here. I can't see a thing, but it still got me. Very, very nice. And once again, out the gate. The telephoto lens looks so good. The quality looks amazing. Check it out. Check out the level of details in the night mode. Amazing. And once again, we have the presets, driveway, gate view, we have the backyard view and the zoom all the way to the pool. Awesome. So let's go back to the default view. As you saw, the image quality is superb. You will get amazing looking video quality during the day and also during the night. Great night modes. Big thumbs up from my side. This camera is amazing. So as you saw, over all the Floodlight camera iterations by the eufy security team, we have arrived at a device that is now even easier to install than all the predecessors. It is also so easily accessible and controllable. It was a charm to work with. Great design choices, it looks great, and the build quality, as always, it is superb. The 3K dual camera system right here offers great image quality and never seen before zooming capabilities, ensuring flawlessly working AI features like AI tracking and facial recognition. And thanks to the dual floodlight panels, you can turn night into day, ensuring great image quality all the time. 2000 lumens in total, by the way. But you also have the option to stay low profile thanks to the great night mode and the invisible IR LEDs. The camera dome is extremely versatile and 24/7 recording is easily possible thanks to the method of powering this device, one of the benefits of a cable-driven system. It also offers dual-band Wi-Fi 6, so it is extremely fast and future-proof. And same as before, the app is full of insights and many more bleeding-edge features and settings that you can control. Definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you, but before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one, and show you then I will see you soon.